Today I'm going to teach you guys how you can pay off your mortgage 10 years faster using real numbers. So let's jump into a calculator and see how it is done. Okay, so let's say you got a loan of $650,000 and your loan term is 30 years and the interest rate is 5.64 and you're doing a principal and interest loan. Based on that, your estimated monthly repayments are $3,748 per month. So let's see here, that's your 30-year loan term, and if you look at here, you can see that the total interest charge over the life of the loan, which is 30 years, is $700,000, which is a lot, which is in fact more than what you borrowed in the first place. So what we can do to cut years off our mortgage, pay off our mortgage faster. So one of the easiest ways without chipping in extra funds is that changing your payment frequency. So instead of you paying monthly, you can switch to a fortnightly repayment. When you do that, so let's look at the numbers, yeah? So that's what you've been paying monthly. What you need to do is you need to divide this amount that you've been paying monthly exactly in half and pay that amount every fortnight. So that's $3,748 and you need to divide that in half and pay that amount fortnightly. So that's $1,874 to be exact. Yeah. So you'll be paying this amount every fortnight. Let's look at what happens to your loan term. So that's 30-year loan term has gone down to 25 years now. So if you look at the exact long-term reduction, that is 5 years and 5 months, and the additional interest saved by just doing that is almost 150K, which is a lot. So yeah, that's already 5 years gone by just changing your payment frequency from monthly to a fortnightly repayment. So now let's take a step further and see what we can do to reduce our loan term. So let's say you got some extra cash and you can chip in another $200 towards your fortnightly mortgage repayment. Let's see what happens when you do that. So your 30-year loan term has gone down to 20-year loan term, which is a 9-year and 11-month loan term reduction to be exact. So you'll be saving $264,000 in interest by just doing that. So not every bank will let you switch to a fortnightly and make extra repayments. So if your lender doesn't allow it, you need to consider reviewing your loan structure or even refinance to a lender that gives you that flexibility. And you need to remember that even if you don't pay that extra money towards directly towards your loan, you can park that extra funds in an offset account because that creates the same impact. It just depends on your loan structure and what your plans are. Now, if adding an extra $200 a fortnight feels like a stretch, you can always chip in an extra $50 or $100 a fortnight, or you can put that money in an offset account. That still helps you cut years off your mortgage and save you heaps of interest. So in summary, what we did was we changed our monthly repayments to fortnightly repayments, and we added an extra $200 towards our fortnightly mortgage repayments. So that alone helped us save $265,000 in interest, and it helped us cut 10 years off our mortgage. Hope this helped, and you can follow me for more mortgage tips like this to help you save money.